Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we did get out of the trade yesterday, basically on this trend line, and gave that to you on or in the Telegram channel. So if you're not a member there, just subscribe. It is free, and it's basically where I give you the trades that I get in when I do get into them. Not all of them, because some of my trades are a little bit risky, where I'm prepared to take a bit more risk than normal, but typically I'll give you the trades where I'm sort of 70% sure that we have a trade on offer. At the moment, we have closed above the 4,200 on the futures market, but on the cash market we closed dead on 4,200. So I'm not entirely convinced that we have a clear break of that level just yet. And if we start moving down through the time frames, one thing's for sure, we have this well, there's the head and shoulders here. So there's a shoulder, head, shoulder, and then you have this, well, you can call it a cup and handle, but it's more than likely a triangle. So a triangle consolidation here, if that makes sense. You see there's the flat top of the triangle, there's a triangle going up, only really two touches on this triangle. But that's the situation that we have there, and at the same time it's a bigger triangle consolidation, which we are through at the moment. Not going to trust it right now, and it is Friday. So let's just have a look at what the week's looking like. Two big pin bars with a nice engulfing bar that opened as low and potentially closing on its high. If that does happen, that is going to set up the moves to the upside for us. But we need to wait for the day to finish, or the week to finish, should I say. Okay, so let's just first have a look at the trade itself. So trade entry was here on the 25th, Tuesday, and basically at 41.90, I think I gave you the level. I took it just off this swing high here. So that's the area that I jumped in, and we had a stop basically down below these tails here. And 2 days of sideways motion, no real direction. Took the gamble with the jobs number coming out just to leave a trade, and also just leave it the stop as it was, and we eventually managed to get the move up, come to test the trend line, and basically saw some chaos happening here on the lower time frames, and got out of that trade. This bar here is basically after hours, after actual trading hours. Okay, so yeah, take that with a pinch of salt. We don't have any diversions or anything at the moment, but we do have some potential diversions forming. Just want to get to the right time frame. On the 3 hour, you can see there's a high, potential lower high, high, and we've also got this rejection bar here. So I'm not convinced either way at the moment. I think this is really, it's a lackluster attempt to break up to the previous highs. So I think, yeah, for me, more than likely just going to write the week off and enjoy the weekend and start the weekend early. So unless we get a really decent pullback, and that pullback, I'm just going to use a box here because it's fairly large. See all these tails here? That's right on the 4,200. So if we can get a decent pullback onto that and test it, so basically something similar to this, then I may look at it as an opportunity. But the amount of time that we've bounced around at the 4,200, I think we need to see a weekly close above 4,200 before we start actually jumping in. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for me on the S&P 500 for this week. Not much money made out of it. So basically 190 points this week, nothing more. But yeah, you get weeks and you get months like that. So you just got to roll with the punches, unfortunately, and come out swinging for round number whatever it is next week. Start of a new month as well. So halfway through the week, the new month will start. So we've got a new month starting. This week closes, and we'll have a wait and see what happens then. Anyway, that's enough rambling this morning, and sit on hands for me. Hope it helps you, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.